Folks, it is cooler this morning. It's the first day of fall on the calendar. Of course, on Larry's calendar, fall started the 1st of September. My east side flowers are fading, but look at this. Look at the seeds. Can you see back there? The seeds are forming. They're getting ready. Amidst that white substance, I don't know what that is, but seeds are there. Hello guys. Hello guys. I like getting close. I like seeing what nobody else sees. I don't know what it is. There's something inside of me, I don't know what it is, but what I see nobody else sees. This is my text number 2. And this is my beautiful flower with a little bit of pollen there coming out still. Remember, when it's a cold winter's day, we'll remember the warm sun on our faces. That's how it works. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Here's a new guy. Today is September 22nd, 2024. New life. I'm getting mud on my shoes. Good morning, good morning. How do you do? Good morning. Another newbie there. This is my other Tex. We'll come take a look at him in a minute as I make my way. Whoa. Holy smokes, I just about fell over, folks. I just sunk. That was weird. I felt like I was sinking. Oh my gosh. This is one of my tallest flowers now. He's up here higher than I can even get. Boy, there's a lot of mud back here. Holy smokes. One of my twin towers. Risking my life out here. But it's worth it. Now look at this guy. Another one of my new flowers. Awesome. Awesomeness. Oh. Look at the crispy petals now. They look like crispy fries or something. Curly fries. These are new ones still getting ready to open up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's just 4 that are unopened. No, there's 5. There's another one over there. Okay. This is one of my new flowers. Boy, that garden is soaking wet. How are you? Still got some crumpled up petals in there waiting to come out. The anatomy of a sunflower, folks. You can tell me about it. The flowering around the flower. Those hundreds and thousands of flowers that are blooming and flowering that the bees come and get. These all have yellow on them, by the way. So they're getting ready. It's going to be my late September flowers, probably in October. That's pretty different. So 1, 2, there's another one through there, 3, and then 4, 5. Okay, here's my sunny. Oh gosh, you're getting older, aren't you, bud? One of my biggest heads. That's probably my biggest sunflower head this year, right there. Right there, folks, right there. The sun is blocking that, so let's get a good shot with this guy. Oh, iPhone day. Forgive the bumps. Looking pretty good, Sunny. My number 2 Sunny for the year. Feel that warm sun on my face on a cold winter's day. Don't forget. We won't. We won't, Larry. And this was my first flower, of course, as we continue to inventory the garden. But so there's 1 there, there's 3 over there, and then there's another one right here. So that's 5 that haven't opened completely. And this is tall, man. This guy is like, ugh. I think he's taller than that one back there. I think he's taller than this one. Okay. So I can hardly reach the top. I'm stretching all the way. So we're saying over 7 feet, easy. See how small the head is now? And it'll be getting really big. I can see the yellow there. You can see how tall that plant is. I've grown them 9 and 10 feet. I think one year I had one even 11 feet. Sonny was over there in 2017. He was probably 9 to 10 feet. Lots of mud down there. Okay, I think I've gone around the garden. I think I have. So, thank you for joining me today on Gardening with Larry. Fall is coming. We're supposed to have warmer temperatures through this fall here. That's okay with me. The nights are cool. The heat came on again last night. I think the hummingbirds have finally have gone south. They say they go south, so probably down to Arizona, New Mexico. So too bad. I saw a couple several days ago, but it's gotten cooler at night, so I think that's their cue. I think that's their cue to take off. But I may shoot a little GoPro video, take some pictures, but that's my garden today, folks. Gardening with Larry. Sunday, September 22nd, 2024, the first day of summer, the autumn equinox, they call it. I see some yellow in our trees. The colors are beginning to change, so God bless you. Share these videos. Subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. Mr. Tall Flower here. Oh, jeez. I about got hit by a bird. I never thought that could happen. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.